If you're happy and you know it, clap your hand. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hand. Damn, it's so hot outside. I think I'm gonna die. Oh. And you know it, clap your hand. Woo! Is the camera rolling? Oh gosh! Hi guys, Shruti here. Welcome back to my channel Wardrobe and Fitness. So today it's gonna be a different video where I'll be sharing with you all what things I carry with me always to look fresh and radiant in this summer season. Though it's fall season now, but in some places it's still summer. So I thought of making this video for you all. Summers are almost impossible to endure without a few essentials. So you cannot step out without having these. So today I'll be showing you 5 things which I always carry with me to look fresh and radiant at any part of the day. So let's begin. I always carry with me this cute little pouch. I think it's quite handy and it occupies very less space inside your handbag. Now let's see what's inside this. Let's see what's inside this. Here we go. So the first thing that I carry with me is aloe vera gel. The original packing of aloe vera gel is like this. This is quite huge, so I have transferred it into this small little container so that it easily fits into my pouch. Strolling the sun without a sunscreen is not a good idea. So aloe vera gel acts as the most natural sunscreen that you can use. So if you're gonna step out without applying something on your skin, you will be damaging your skin and you'll be getting a lot of unwanted tan. So I always apply this aloe vera gel before going out in the sun, and I always carry this in my pouch. So this aloe vera gel is my savior. I just love it. Moving on to the next thing. There you go. So this is my tiny bottle of perfume that I always carry with me. Summer leads to sweat and sweat leads to that icky feeling, and it ultimately leads to unpleasant odor. Ew! This is pure rose water which I have put in this spray bottle. You can also make your own perfume. You just need to buy a small spray bottle. So I just love the fragrance of rose water. It smells so good. So make sure you carry with you a tiny bottle of perfume throughout the day and you're ready for any unexpected outing after your work. Okay, now moving on to the next thing that I have in my pouch. Okay, so here you go. So I carry these tissue papers always in my pouch. So you can use these to wipe off any extra moisture from your face. This will come in use at all times of the day and will instantly help you to get rid of the summer dust and heat that can ruin any good look and make you feel sticky and drab. So tissues are a must-have. Okay, now let's see what else do I have in my pouch. And I always carry some hair ties with me. Now summers and long hair do not go hand in hand. I know girls love long hair, but in summers sometimes it can get really irritating for us to get out in the sun with long hair. So I always keep these hair ties to tie my locks in a bun or a ponytail so that I can enjoy myself whenever I am out in the sun. So keep some hair ties with you always. Now moving on to the last thing. Let's see, what do I have? Ta-da! Okay, so I carry with me one more spray bottle. So in summers, your skin is exposed to certain elements that can dry out and damage your skin quickly. So one handy way to freshen up your skin at any time of the day is to carry a small bottle of homemade facial mist with you. So I've added in this water, rose water, and a few drops of essential oil in this. So this is my homemade facial mist which I carry with me. So now I can walk freely in the sun because I don't have to worry about my skin being dull in the sun. So this quickly peps up my face as I can apply this at any time of the day and it peps up my face. So do carry a small bottle of facial mist with you. So there are a lot of facial mists available in the market, but there are a lot of chemicals in those products. So I prefer using my own homemade facial mist, as this is the most natural way to freshen up. So I think this is quite cool that you can DIY your own facial mist and carry with you always. Okay, so these were my 5 must-have summer essentials that I carry with me always. And yes, don't forget to hit on that like button and do let me know in the comment section below what things do you carry in your bag or handbag in the summer season. And do let me know in the comment section if you want to see more such videos. And yes, share this video with all your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel Wardrobe and Fitness. The subscribe button is given right under your screens. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.